I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us, just the two of us, building them castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I.
We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is. It don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, not to those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the
I could not forget the day when you asked me a big question that I have been asking myself too. Magpapakasal ka na ba? Then the only answer I give is, I don't know. We are not even friends and you have the nerves to ask me that way. But look, we are here, getting married. Pipiliin kita araw-araw, pipiliin pa rin kita sa mga araw na di tayo nagkakaintindihan. Pipiliin pa rin kita kahit minsan di na natin maibigan ang kailangan ng isa't isa. At kapag naging sobrang hirap man ng pinagdaraanan natin, pipiliin kong mahalin ka pa rin araw-araw. I love you so much.
With you, yeah, yeah, yeah. With you, got the best seats in the house. You and me on the couch, being us and laughing, loving your eyes. Driving around all over town, wondering what do we do now? Since I'm leaving in the morning for a while, you take my hand, don't wanna let go, so I take your hand. Don't wanna let go. Let's talk about the good times. Let's talk about the good times. 'Cause all we got is in this moment. Take it in while we can hold it, baby. Good times, yeah.
Naalala mo ba nung una tayo mag-usap? Ang tanong ko sa'yo, kung ikakasal ka na ba? Hindi ko makakalimutan yun kasi nung sinabi mo hindi, kinilig ako eh. Hindi ko lubos akalain na ako pala ang ikakasal sa'yo. Ipapangako ko na sasamahan ka sa hirap at ginhawa. Susuportahan ka sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mo. Sasamahan ka sa mga pangarap mo. Pinapangako ko laging magiging tapat sa'yo. Mamahalin at pipiliin ka habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
'Cause all we got is in this moment. Take it